This is our wall mount. So this is the back side, this is the plate, this is the conduit gland, and this is an additional accessory, PMAX 1501, that can be purchased separately, or it can be actually a standardized conduit gland from any supplier. Actually, it doesn't have to be from us. So what I want to do is I want to install this cable that supposedly comes through the concrete wall, so that I don't want to drill too large hole to the wall for the gland. So I want to install it in a reversed way this time. So what I do is I want to adjust the length of this thread so that when I screw it from the inside, that it doesn't stick out too much. So what I do for that is I'll just borrow this nut from the conduit gland that's included in the package of this mount. Okay, and then I'll remove the washer from the cable gland, and I'll just put it here just to make it the thread shorter, and then put the washer back on like this. Okay, very nice, more or less. Okay, and then I'll just from this side, right, I'll just mount it to this plate. Okay, and you can see that it doesn't stick out from this surface here, so that this is the part which will touch the wall later. Okay, so now I'll just let the cable come through this. It's a kind of thick one here. I chose the thickest one without cutting off the connector, just to show that it's all doable. Let's say maybe like around 1 foot should be enough. And then I'll just put it on like this. Like this. Tighten it. Everything is tight. And lastly, this is so supposedly like this. You could already align it to the wall with your based on the drill template, and then this whole solution. Now you can install the bit on the wall with the 4 screws, and later you will mount the camera here, and then if you see from this side here, it can be a concrete wall. It's on the cable coming out, so there's no large hole needed inside the concrete wall, and it's fully waterproof. Thank you.